You click on images all the time, but how do they actually make those things clickable? Having a clickable image is a great way to bring attention to something on your website and make it easy to find. Hey there, I'm Danielle, web and graphic designer, bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. Turning an image into a link has many purposes and uses. It draws attention, makes the link easy to find, and it showcases visually what the link is for, rather than just text. So let's start with the code. This is the basic structure that you'll use of code to turn images into clickable links. With this code, the website URL is the place that you'd like the picture to take them to when it's clicked on. The image URL location is the picture that you want to display, that one that they will click on to take them to that site. And this image URL could be on your website, it could be on something like Google Drive where you store things. And just a note, this target blank right here, all that does is it opens the link when it's clicked on in a new tab. So if you don't want it to open in a new tab, go ahead and leave that blank. It's a matter of personal preference. I prefer to have it open in a new tab because if they're in the middle of something, if they're reading your post and they click on an image they see, then you've deferred them off of that post they were reading. So the first thing we're going to replace is the image URL. So if you've got your images stored up on Google Drive, then go ahead and navigate to the image there and grab that link, and then just paste it right in here between these quote marks. So if it's on your WordPress, you can navigate to your media and go to the library. And when you click on the image that you'd like to link to, right over here on the side, on the right, you're going to click on more details. And this box that says URL, you want to highlight and copy all of this. And you can hit Control-C to copy that. And then you can paste it right in there where you want your image to show up. So you've now got your image linked. Right here, this is just the page you want to link to. So if you're linking to, maybe it's an email opt-in on a landing page, you can link to that landing page. So now that we've got our code that we need and the links that we need, let me show you two common places that you're likely to see needing this or where you'd use this on WordPress. So the first one is going to be in your post itself. And over here on the right, you can click on the text tab. And this just shows you all of the HTML code making your post look that way. So within here, in between the paragraphs, wherever you wanted to add your image, your clickable image, you could add that line of code, add in your links, and you've now added that to your post. So the second place that you'd probably see this is going to be within your sidebar and your widgets. So what you can do is use the text widget. You just drag one of these over to here, and what you see in this list is going to be different depending on your particular theme. So mine has some extra, my themes and my plugins give me some extra widgets, but the text widget is a pretty standard one. So what you can do here, and it looks kind of like a basic blog post, you can click on this text tab on the right and you just add your code and your link in here. Now, there are two ways that WordPress will do this for you. Two places where you give it the link and tell it the picture and it generates the code for you. But there's one downside. If you store your images off WordPress, it's not necessarily going to work because it works by the add media option, not by telling it what link. So the first place is in the post itself. So up at the top left, you click on add media and you click on the image that you'd like to link to. You can, over on the right, before you insert this into your post, you're going to find this link to option and make sure it's set on custom URL. And in this box here, you're going to add the link that you want it to link out to. And then you hit insert into post and it will do it for you. So the second place is in the image widgets. You can click on add image. select the image you'd like, and again, make sure that link to is set to custom URL and that you've entered the location that you'd like to link to. There is one downside to both of these. Neither one of these will allow you to set that link to open in a new window or to use an image not on WordPress. So if you want to store your images off WordPress, or if you want to make sure things open in a new window, it's best to go ahead and code this by hand. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Central. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.